Woodpecker Furniture, 100% Indian, 100% germ-free.
Ponvande, 50 years of expertise in detergent. Ponvande Matic detergent powder.
Ajit sir, we shot in aircart. So before me coming out from my vanity van, I heard a lot of noise and people cheering up and shouting and everything. And I had no idea for whom they were shouting. Of course, not for me. So when I saw Ajit sir coming out and people going mad, completely mad, then I got some hint. Then I got some idea. Okay, fine, this is he's a superstar or something. He's a very good-looking man, very charming, very like humble, nice, superstar. I mean, there's so many things. He has such a huge fan following. What else? I mean, there's so many things. I can actually make a complete essay about him. So we used to chat, we used to talk, but then I learned so many things from him. I mean, being a superstar, like being a super duper star, and then at the same time you can be really humble as well.
The next important things your fans are like waiting to know is when are you gonna get married?
Nothing as of now. And then whenever this will happen, I'm not even sure people will get to know.
Oh, why?
I don't know. I mean, there's no plan as such, or
Okay.
I'm not too much. I don't want to be part of this shoshebazi and all. I think so. Whenever it will happen, it will be a very like family function. So
Private one.
I think so. I think so. I mean, yeah.
Okay, so I have rapid fire questions now. So it's like it's all about you, only you. We're gonna explore you. That's it. Okay, so
Okay.
ready?
Yes,
If you could trade your life with someone for a day, who would it be and why?
Ajit sir.
Okay.
Yes. So for one day, I wanna feel that fan following, that love from the people, and then how the literally people like worship him. Yeah, Ajit sir. And then, I mean, who doesn't want to like look that good looking? Maybe just for a day. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. What compliments does people give you the most?
Okay. So there are lots of variety actually in the compliment which I get, but then of late, I mean, they say that I'm very strong person. Now,
Okay.
I will not get into this, how strong I am, or I mean, there's a huge debate on this topic, right? We always say the people who say they are strong, they are not. You can see nowadays, but yeah, that's the most people they tell me that you're a very strong person. Yeah.
Okay, then I'm gonna ask you this. The last time you cried,
Yesterday,
for what? Watching something?
no, because of this lockdown. I was like,
Oh,
no. I mean,
okay.
I don't cry easily, but then, you know, sometimes you just feel crying. So I had nothing to do, so I just like tap little bit here and there. It's fine. Yeah.
Okay. I didn't expect that actually.
No, why? No. Every day I cry. Every day I laugh. Every day I do all the things. So it's nothing like that. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so your second movie is something bigger, I guess. It's with
Yeah. It was with Ajit sir,
Ajit sir,
and
yeah.
I think the universe actually did some kind of cheating with me
Oh,
because when I signed for Aegon, I had no idea about Ajit sir. I had no idea what I was getting into. I had no idea it's such a big setup, and I had no idea that after doing this film, I gonna crave and I'm going to tell people, listen, I was so fooled because I just had no idea who is he, what is the film. It's such a big thing for me. I was clueless, completely clueless. So it just happened. I think the universe cheated me there completely.
but you must have had conversation with Ajit sir, no? While
Of,
shooting?
of course, I had. So what happened? We shot in aircart, and when my shot was there, I was called on set. So before me coming out from my vanity van, I heard a lot of noise and people cheering up and shouting and everything, and I had no idea for whom they were shouting. Of course, not for me. So when I saw Ajit sir coming out and people going mad, completely mad, then I got some hint. Then I got some idea. Okay, fine, this is he's a superstar or something. I mean, I was completely clueless. I mean, I'm very angry about it. Like, why nobody told me that time when I was shooting for the film or I signed the film that this is such a big thing you're getting into.
So we have heard a lot about Ajit sir. What are his mannerisms and how he'll be behaving in the shooting spot and all. So we would like to hear it from you as well.
He was very nice with me because I was like the youngest one on set and the newcomer, and I mean, not familiar with anything in South. So he was very protective, very nice with me. I mean, he used to talk to me. He used to tell me, like, about the industry and the set, and so many things about the profession. So we used to chat, we used to talk. But then I learned so many things from him. I mean, being a superstar, like being a super duper star, and then the same time you can be really humble as well. I mean, otherwise what happened nowadays? People shoot for just one song and they start flying. So they should learn from our superstars how to be humble as well.
So, what is one thing you would always follow, like his advice or something which he told and you will never forget in your life and you just keeping on following it?
No, as such, nothing. He didn't advise me anything like that. But yeah, he told me so many things. Like, when you're a nice person from inside, you're always gonna meet the nice people. And I totally believe in this. I mean, if you know how nice person you are, and if you are actually very honest, very kind person, you're gonna meet people like that. And on the way, you're gonna meet some idiot and stupid people also, but they're not gonna stay with you long. They're gonna leave you. So you end up being with the nice people. That's
So,
what I learned from him, and I totally believe in this.
like one quality you admired from him. So, what is that quality?
This is very tough. I admire like so many qualities in him.
Okay, okay.
Everything about.
We're like ready to
I
listen.
can't. I I can't pinpoint anything. He's a very good-looking man, very charming, very like humble, nice, superstar. I mean, there's so many things, and he respects the family also. He has a beautiful family. He has such a huge fan following. What else? I mean, there's so many things. I can actually make a complete essay about him.
So, will he talk about or share something about his family as well?
I know about Shalini, ma'am, but I never met her. So
Okay.
whatever I know about her from Ajit sir itself, but like
Oh,
not much, like little bit, yes. But I never met his family. I couldn't because there was, I mean, I never got the chance to meet his family. So whatever you guys know through the pictures, that's what I know. Like the daughter, that the son, that's it.
the next is Ko. As a
Yeah.
journalist, we loved your performance, the way you talk or act, everything, each and every nuances, we just enjoyed it. So, how was it working with all the co-stars and how was it working under KV Anand sir's direction?
So what happened when they called me for co? They didn't tell me any what am I doing in the film.
Okay.
But then I got called from so many my well-wisher, my directors like AL Vijay and so many people that you have to be part of this film if they're calling you.
Oh,
So I got a call from the production that it's a wonderful role, Pia. You just come here, we'll tell you here, like on set, we'll tell you the role, what you're going to do. And I had some little bit idea. I said, okay, fine. So I reached on set and I went in my vanity. I did my makeup and all, got ready, and then I went on set for shooting. And the KV sir told me, "Ayo, why did you do makeup and all?" I said, I said, I mean, am I not gonna shoot today? He said, no, you going, but we don't need this makeup. And it was a very natural makeup, right? I said, okay, fine. Then what? Just wash your face, wash your face. I said, okay, fine. So I went and I washed my face. And then the makeup man came with some Multani Mitti face pack. He said, you're gonna put this.
oh, that scene where the guy comes and
I said, I thought, okay, fine. I mean, my career is over now. Nobody will ever call me because that was some green color face pack, and they put the face pack on my face, and I was looking like a ghost. I said, I should have listened the role. I should have, like, talked to someone. Then I called AL Vijay. I said, they're not giving me makeup. They gave me this Multani Mitti face pack, and they're telling me to shoot like this. He said, just listen to him and just do whatever he's telling you. And then, I mean, I put the Multani Mitti face pack and we started the shooting. So, what I'm trying to tell you in my life, lots of like big thing, beautiful thing, good things happen just like this. When I don't know what is happening and things just happen.
but that scene was iconic actually. Everybody loved each and everyone's performance in that scene.
I know, but then you know what? When the dialogue which became very famous, the Avnani, I mean, they tried their best to make me understand the meaning of it with so many different words. I couldn't understand like what is happening.
At last, you
So
got it or not?
I got it,
Okay.
hopefully. And then there was one AD, his name was Karthik, and because I was not getting the meaning, so how to perform, right? He literally, he did this. I mean, literally he did the whole expression thing, do like this and all. And then so many people make me to understand what is the meaning of Apnani, and somehow this happened. I don't know what I did, how I have no idea. I just don't, I have no idea.
Can you just try recreating the dialogue now?
Apnani.
Uh, what will you never do? Never do in your life?
Come on TikTok. Never, ever, never, ever. I hate it. I hate
Okay.
it. I
I
mean,
can, I
I was
can,
I was
I can feel the
thinking,
heat.
huh, in the morning, I was just thinking, if I go into a relationship with someone and the person is on TikTok, my first condition would be please come out of it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be with you. I
Oh,
mean, never. Yep.
okay, okay. What makes you annoyed?
When people nowadays, okay, fine, not nowadays. I mean, this is the tough time is going on. Otherwise, you keep meeting lots of people, and they deliberately, I would say, they try to give you their negative energy to you, unnecessary. If you're trying to do something, they will just say something which is very negative. I mean, suppose if I'm working out, if I'm following some particular routine, the first thing they will say, oh no, it doesn't work, it doesn't work like that. What is the need? Why so much to work out? Why eat this or eat that? And after 15 days they will come to me and ask me, okay, fine, you were doing something, like, can you please tell me? So I hate that when people come and they try to give you their negative energy, so which is like annoy me a lot.
So they just try to put you down.
They can't put me down. The problem
As
is
in, they just try.
they just try, but they can't. The only thing is that, I mean, uh, I I mean, you can keep your energy with you. Why just go out and spread to here and there unnecessary? So which annoys me a lot.
That was so nice having you on my show. I completely
Thank you
enjoyed this
so much. Thank
conversation.
you so much. Thank you so much.
Woodpecker Furniture, 100% Indian, 100% germ free.
Ponvande, 50 years of expertise in detergent. Ponvande Matic detergent powder.